2015 Dodge Charger HEMI, 5.7 liter. Got factory converters, like usual. Factory X pipe. Then what we did, resonator delete for mid muffler and rear muffler delete there and there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And it comes with the custom or regular valence, so bumpers come built in. There it is. Came out really nice, real clean. Hope you guys enjoy the sound. Much better. Sound decibels, go ahead. 109 on the sound decibels, bro. That's awesome. Yeah. Hey man, make sure you go sideways, okay? Absolutely beautiful. HEMI, HEMI, HEMI. Hopefully he'll go beast mode. He said he will, so we'll see. Dodge Charger 2015 HEMI.